If you're in a leadership role and trying to ensure your IT aligns with business goals, manages risk effectively, and meets compliance requirements, COBIT should be on your radar. It's a governance framework that bridges the gap between IT operations and business strategy, and as a security leader, it gives you a powerful model for accountability, performance, and value delivery. COBIT is a framework developed by ISACA for IT governance and management. It provides a structured approach to managing and governing enterprise IT, helping you ensure that your technology investments support business objectives and deliver value while managing risks appropriately. COBIT doesn't dive deep into technical controls. Instead, it gives you the what and why so you can align governance, compliance, risk, and performance at an enterprise level. As a security leader, COBIT helps you create alignment between your cybersecurity strategy and your organization's broader business goals. It provides clarity on who is accountable, what should be measured, and how value is delivered through IT and security efforts. When boards and executives want assurance that security is integrated into business operations, COBIT gives you the language and structure to provide it. To effectively apply COBIT in your leadership role, you need to understand its 5 foundational components. These aren't just theoretical. They shape how you govern, measure, and optimize your IT and security operations in alignment with business needs. COBIT splits its guidance into 2 clear domains: governance and management. Governance is where the board evaluates, directs, and monitors enterprise performance to ensure alignment with strategic goals. That's their job. Your job, as a security or IT leader, falls into the management domain, where you plan, build, run, and monitor activities that deliver on those governance objectives. Your role is to take high-level governance intentions and turn them into clear operational tasks your teams can execute. COBIT 2019 introduces 40 management objectives that span the full lifecycle of IT operations, covering areas like risk management, change control, compliance, service delivery, and of course, security. Each of these objectives is structured with a purpose statement, key practices, governance components, and performance metrics. You use this model to design your internal processes, benchmark them against best practices, and measure their effectiveness over time. One of COBIT's most strategic tools is the Goals Cascade. It helps you map enterprise-level goals to IT-related goals, and then down to the specific processes, technologies, or enablers that make them happen. This is extremely powerful when you need to align your security initiatives with business strategy or justify investments. The cascade gives you visibility from boardroom metrics all the way down to operational activities, making your work traceable and valuable to the business. COBIT includes a performance measurement system based on maturity and capability levels. You use these levels to evaluate where your processes currently stand, whether they're ad hoc, repeatable, defined, managed, or optimized. This structure helps you monitor improvement over time, set realistic targets, and demonstrate progress to executive stakeholders in a language they understand. Finally, COBIT isn't meant to be applied the same way everywhere. Its design and implementation guidance helps you tailor the framework to your organization's context, taking into account factors like your risk appetite, regulatory obligations, size, industry, and strategic goals. You apply this during framework rollouts, design workshops, or maturity planning sessions to ensure that COBIT supports your environment instead of overwhelming it. By mastering these core components, you're not just applying a framework. You're building a security governance model that is scalable, measurable, and aligned with business value. That's the essence of leadership in today's digital world. As a cybersecurity or IT leader, COBIT becomes a strategic asset when you know how to embed it into your daily responsibilities and long-term planning. Here's how you can make it work for you. Start by aligning your security goals with business objectives using the Goals Cascade. This powerful COBIT feature lets you trace organizational priorities down to specific IT-related goals and control activities. It helps you ensure your cybersecurity initiatives support business outcomes, making it easier to communicate impact and secure executive buy-in. Next, benchmark your current IT and security processes. Use COBIT's maturity and capability models to assess where you stand today and where you need to improve. This isn't about judgment, it's about gaining clarity. You'll identify gaps, highlight strengths, and set a roadmap for maturing your operations based on business need and resource availability. To deliver value at the executive level, you should support board-level governance with clear reporting. COBIT gives you the structure to report on risk exposure, compliance posture, and how your program delivers business value. These insights enable the board to evaluate and direct performance effectively while trusting you with operational execution. It's also essential to establish clear roles and responsibilities across IT and business teams. COBIT helps you define who is accountable for what, which avoids confusion and reduces overlap. This clarity improves coordination, increases accountability, and ensures that both technical and non-technical stakeholders understand their role in achieving governance outcomes. Finally, you can integrate COBIT with other frameworks like ISO 27001, NIST CSF, or ITIL to build a cohesive governance, risk, and compliance (GRC) program. COBIT doesn't replace these tools, it complements them. When you blend frameworks, you create a flexible, comprehensive system that covers everything from control-level detail to executive oversight. By applying COBIT this way, you're not just implementing a framework, you're building a governance engine that empowers your security program and drives meaningful business results. So, what's your leadership takeaway? COBIT is not just for auditors or compliance professionals, it's for you. It gives you the structure to ensure that your security program is aligned with business goals, governed with clarity, and continually improving in capability. By using COBIT, you're not just protecting systems, you're enabling the business, driving accountability, and leading with strategic foresight.